Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome everyone back to my channel. It's Leslie here. Thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys can see in this video today, I will be reviewing a hair straightener tool, and I am super excited because, as you guys know, I chopped up my hair recently and I've had to learn to style my hair all over. I managed to do it on vacation. I managed to use my blow dryer and a roller brush, which is what I would typically use. I'm excited to use this tool because it might be the easiest thing for me to style my hair with. Tymo, thank you for sending me this. I can't wait to review it. I did wash my hair, so it's just damp right now. I didn't dry it with a towel or anything. They gave me this detangling brush. It's super cute. This Tymo in the back. Oh, that's working. Which I'm about to use this to detangle my hair. 2 hair clips, which I'm happy I got this because I recently went to a pharmacy to try to find these exact clips and I couldn't find anything, so I had to settle for some other ones, but I really wanted these. These are the ones that they use like in the hair salon. I got here a glove to protect your hands. Oh, it fits so nice. I love it. It's super cute and elegant looking. I love it. It's like a matte feel to it, matte color. Here's the teeth. This is so cool. I've never seen teeth like this. It always looks like an actual brush, and this doesn't look like that. It's super cool. The buttons to turn on, this is a plus and a negative. It also comes with this cute travel bag. I think this is so dope. Now, look. Fits right in. I absolutely love this. I think this is a cute touch to it. I'm not sure how hot this goes. So it comes with this manual. It starts from 266 Fahrenheit all the way up to 410 Fahrenheit, which has 5 different temperature levels. It says next to it, let's see if I can show you guys. Ooh. The levels and your hair type, which is so cool. Taking my detailing brush. Oh, this feels nice. So before I actually apply some heat to my hair, I am gonna put a heat protecting spray. I've parted my hair and I've turned on the straightener. Once you plug it in, this light is gonna start blinking. You have to click this button so these lights can turn on and it'll indicate which level you're on. I'm gonna start with level 2. I'll wait till this gets hot. Maybe it'll feel hotter when the levels are. But I'm gonna try what this level feels like first. So here's my hair now. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. It feels really nice. It doesn't pull your hair at all. I'm gonna go under. My hair is a little, oops. My hair is a little curly. Level 2 is actually like, it doesn't feel hot on this, but on my hair it feels really hot. I'm gonna try level 3. And when it stops blinking, I'll use it. In the meantime, let me do this piece of hair. Alright, so it stopped blinking, so I'm officially on level 3. I'm gonna pass through my hair, this hair again. I love this. This is so much faster than me using a freaking blower. It's not even pulling my hair. I'm like amazed. It feels so nice. And I just have it on level 3. And I could put it higher. This is so cool because it's like you normally comb your hair with a brush and it'll straighten it instead. Just so cool. My hair's so easy to now that it's short. I still have it on level 3. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on 4 so I can see if there's a difference to the way it straightens my hair. I have it on level 5 now because I want to see how it works on its max temperature. So let's see. It's probably a lot faster where I don't have to keep passing it over. This is a lot quicker. Yep, like I thought. Versus you having it on a low temperature and you like have to keep passing it over. I can just. This is nice. I love this. It's naturally curly. Like my roots get really frizzy and poofy. So I do need, you know, to work at its highest. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite hair tool ever. So cool. I am like so surprised that this is styling my hair the way it is. I've done finished half of my hair. I am excited. excited and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys what this piece of my hair look like. This is my hair not done. This is my final look using the Tymo straightener. I absolutely love it. I give my blower a break and stick to my Tymo because this actually styled my hair really nice, and I absolutely love it. Like the easiest way to style my hair. Thank you, Tymo, so much for sending this to me. Thank you all for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave some comments down below. You know I like to read them. And turn on your notifications so you won't ever miss when I post.